Hello everyone, it's Ali here, and I welcome you back to my stream. Let me, as usual, quickly introduce you. So the stream is structured like a TV series, where each season is a long-running project or application, and each episode is an individual stream like this one. And currently we are at Season 2, Episode 13, and on the Season 2 we are researching, touching, working with the Polymarket in general, and most of the season what we are doing is we are building the daily rewards farming bot, which basically automatically market makes um, as automated market maker, or like market maker as a bot for the um, for the daily rewards farming. And also what we worked on is an orchestration which automatically adjusts our bot to the highest paying market, and this is what we are busy with right now. So let me do a couple of buns and start. Okay, so what we did last time is we implemented the, where is it here? Okay. What we did last time is we implemented the automated merging of the positions if we have anything possible. So basically, if we have yes position on yes and no more than 0, then then we can get like the common number and just merge it, and leave the rest what is not market neutral as our main position. And we've done this. It's supposed to work well. We've tested that as well. Did not test the numbers much, but I think we will get to this at some point. And next, what we did is we implemented the orchestration layer for automation of the market making, but it did not work well, as I remember. So we need to, like, it requires testing, run it in no dry run mode, and enable switching. So this is what we're going to be doing. So I call this episode the finishing out orchestration, which is basically true. I hope we will be able to finish the orchestration by now and work only on the strategy next, and maybe get to the point where we can actually run this bot indefinitely on the background and then see how it is performing. And also, as usual, I got lucky last time and I earned like a couple of cents, which is good because usually we just lose money, and we did not lose any on the last stream. So congrats to that. And let's go ahead and continue. I don't have many tokens left on my Copilot, so gonna rush on somehow, because last stream took me 10%. The streams before took like 6 or 7% each. And yeah, I tried. I connected actually the anti-gravity, but their model is very throttled, and I think their usage limit is very, very limited. So that's why. And I also use GPT 5.2 a lot, because I also connected that to my Open AI subscription, which was just laying down and not being used usually. So, but I'll try to Russian probably more with the mix of 5.2 GPT and maybe Sonnet 4.5, because it's not using as much tokens as the Opus one. It's not as smart as well, but yeah, we got like almost the same smartness, but was 3 times less expensive after Russian now. But I was thinking actually to get the cloud but subscription as well, cloud code, to maybe finally try this out. So maybe if I'll bump on the limit during this week months, which is like very likely, then I think I'm gonna purchase the cloud code finally, and we'll finally test that. Okay, so let's go and run open code. Let's try with Sonnet 4.5 first. No, wait, let's open our last session where we ended. Okay, so there was some problem. Okay, let's start a new one. Let's... Oh, wait. Let's test the orchestration run in no dry run mode. And enable switching. Let's do $20 liquidity or $30 liquidity. Wait. And second. Yeah, I think let's just run it like this. Okay. Let me see if we have any data files here that I'll remove them. Wait, didn't I remove just something that was used? Okay, let's stop it. Okay, we got the feel already. And I removed that. Or no. Oh, everything is good. Okay. See at our portfolio what we have here. So this one's supposed to be the most paying market right now. Yeah, no competition and pretty good reward. Let's continue running that. Wait. Okay, so let's just rerun it and keep it. Okay, so there is a problem. It wants me to type the position cost now because I dropped it. Okay. As usual, guys, I'm gonna have to lose money to clean the experiment. Do this. Okay, so it found out what's the problem. because it actually did not supposed to call it. Okay, so now we started with a different market. Okay, let's stop it. Okay, let me see. Maybe we can just... Let's merge these positions first. So we have now no at 33 here, which we can get rid of. Okay, cannot. Like we purchased it. The spread is huge. I requested to merge it, but it was not merged. Apparently, let's figure out why. I don't know, some issues. Try again. Okay, so it was not executed before and now it is. Okay, let's... You know what, let's just call select market and run it manually. Remove all the data. Just as usual for a clean run. Okay, so here is the config we need to use. Let's put it in our file. And run the market maker manually. So now it asks us for our position and we purchased it at 33 cents. Yeah, and our PNL. seats now. Let's check rewards. Um, so API says that I'm not earning anything. No, okay, so it now shows 3%. But our estimate says that it's 33% now. And we are single-sided, so I think our estimation is incorrect. Still, let's put it here. Bug, our estimates are incorrect. Incorrect when single. We need to check that, of course, but yeah. Let's see again. Yeah, our estimation shows 33%, but we're only one side, so we should get less. And also here there is a huge orders actually participating now. Oh, now we are two-sided again. Did we got filled? Oh yeah, we got filled and we got merged actually. Wait, something is wrong. Okay, I think I need to change the RPC again from this one. Maybe like that. No, I think RPC is still. Yeah, RPC request failed. Okay, let's try another one. Maybe this one. Okay, this one seems to work. GM everyone, hello. Okay, we should have orders now. I don't see any. Okay. What the fuck? Okay, we need to fix that. Run npm run. Why the order is placed on it? Okay, now it works. I think mid price is somehow calculated incorrectly here, or our orders again went down to 11 cents. Okay, that's the problem. Let's stop it now. The thing is, midpoint did not suppose to move like that. Was it data from the WebSockets or some internal error? So, as you can see, it places at 83 and then at 13 cents. And I'm not sure whether our issue, to be honest, we haven't seen that before. Or did we just pick a wrong market as usual? Uh, FYI, yes and no order books are 100% mirrored. Okay, so probably that was the issue. Okay, so let's read the update. What happened? Okay. Supposedly fixed. So we just did the change here. On midpoint update, it just returns, like exits the function basically if the midpoint comes for the no token, because we only track yes token. Okay, so now we are selling no for 17 cents. And we purchase it for 28. Crazy. Let's probably just cut the losses and test the orchestration instead. I think so. I think that will be much more fun. Let's kill this one. Remove this one. And I'll also It does some checks. I don't know what's happening. No. Okay, let's just stop this bullshit. Yeah, so let's liquidate, market sell our positions. And cut the losses. Okay. We are all the time minus $10 now. Not good. Not bad either. Okay. Let's run orchestration. Node I run. Switch enabled. $30. Okay, so now it's fetching the market. And it selected one, and there are errors. Invalid signature. This is what we actually saw last time. I don't know, because of the market maybe. We didn't throw any orders, right? Yeah, we didn't, so we can kill it. Let's see. Sometimes. Ah, no. Wants to see my. Definitely not credentials issue. I have just used the scripts on other markets and everything worked. There are some markets that throw this error. I have a senior developer joined. Okay, so it says that the problem is that it's a multi-choice market. I thought we are handling those. Let me see. Let me find this market actually. We still have buy yes, and buy no, right? So it's like, hello. Keep the specific market and fix the best one. Volunteer market. I thought we support both type of markets. If no, specify. Yeah, let's get back to this negative risk thing. So my cat is blocking my hand now. He's gonna be sitting here for some time. Hope you like his eyes. Oh, okay. So it just needs to change the needs to pass basically the flag for the negative risk. Probably it was missing during the implementation. Hello. Wait. So it was fixed somehow, I guess. Let's see. So all fixed now, and the param is passing, and we can rerun and support both markets. Just to make sure. Yes, exactly. Let's go. So it will start again. So the issue persisted, unfortunately. So it did more changes. Let's see what exactly. So this file skip neg risk markers due to signature compatibility issues. Okay, so this market uses different adapters for trading. Okay, we will need to update our documentation for that. Okay, running again. Okay, now we are good. So let's see what the market is. Will Zelensky attend the World Economic Forum? This one. And why we are single-sided? Are we already in position? We are already in the position and looks like we already made money. Bye. And we already lost money. I like this market. I'm gonna call the season how to lose money online. But I'm actually losing it not as fast as it was possible. So 20 here, 20 here. The check rewards shows me 4.7%. And why we decided to pick this market? because it showed us estimation of $19. Okay, but it should be doing some re-evaluations every 5 minutes, I think. So we started it at 48, 49 more or less. Okay, let's leave it for a couple of minutes, but we are not market neutral anymore, so it probably won't even move to another market. I think we should put this timestamp. Okay, I think we are not getting the output here anymore. Probably it has some limits. That's bad. Okay, let's kill it. I wonder if we should have made money here. Minus 7.2, minus 6.99, plus 11, minus this, plus this. Yeah, we kind of lost money. Like we are minus 5.36, and if we liquidate our position, if we sell. Ah, okay, we are actually in a profit. Okay, then let's liquidate it now. And okay, so we just drastically changed during our run, I guess. Or no? Ah, no, just last hour. Okay. Okay, so what we can do now is we can change the switch time. Oh, run the orchestrator in no dry run plus enable switch plus $30 liquidity plus switch every 1 minute, or let's 2 minutes. I hope we will not get any position during this 2-minute window. Okay, the same market again. my god, stop. I forgot to delete the old data. Let me remove the data here so we start from a clean state. Wait, did we get already into position? How is this possible? Market is very volatile. If we are gonna get back to it, I think we're gonna get into the position. Okay, we lost a little bit here. Okay, so we selected again the same market. What? I didn't have any position. Wait. Okay, so I probably did not kill everything. Yeah, okay. No, let's try again. Let's refresh. We should have 0 positions. 0 orders. Yes. Let's run again. Oh my god. Why is that? We have 0 and 0. Probably we don't have 0 and 0. Let's check. Transfers. Okay, let's kill and ask to fix it. The problem is I have 0 positions. Why do I enter the price? Maybe there is small dust on the wallet. Let's add rounding. Okay. And we are back to US forces, which is promising us $24. Should be recalculated at 1504, and currently we are earning 32% supposedly, or $20 per day. So the market should have changed by now, but I think we are stopping at getting the notification at some point, so probably we should rerun it ourselves. And it, no. Okay, so it started actually. Re-evaluation. Let's just do it again. Just didn't wait enough, 1 minute, more or less. So we are now back at the Zelensky market, I think. Yes. And we are taking sides already, I guess. Yeah. Look at this. So many movements. making many trades and losing us money. Look like we are minus 10 for today already. Or no, wait, -1. Okay. Okay, let's see. I think probably we can use this trade session as an example on how to tune our strategy for purchases and so on. Okay, so it should start rebalancing soon. So we're not even earning money. What? Okay, I think I have just lost everything, or the calculations are wrong. Okay, maybe let's stop now just to make sure. Let's see what's happening. Oh, so many trades. And we are market neutral now, I guess. Yeah, I think we lost a lot of money now on the market movements. But yeah, this should be this should be a very good example for us. Well, we still did not properly test the orchestration. But it looks like orchestration worked. Okay, let's consider that the orchestration works for now, because I think we have the bigger issue, and it's actually the basically our trading strategy itself, the market maker strategy itself. So I want to make sure we never lose this. file, so let's just copy paste it here for now. Just stage it. Um, can you give me trading history based on logs and data in, what's the file name? Do they match? Okay, so I asked it to analyze the trade history, and it says that the problem is with automated merges, which I don't think so, to be honest, but let's explore that. First of all, let's mark our market maker as done. I think we can definitely consider that as done. Then we can just fix it in the future if it doesn't work properly. Then maybe we can work on our visualization and then skewing, because it's hard actually to do anything without visualization. So the bot is losing money on trade merges because it bought ES token at high price and no token at low price. Then market spread was wide. So like if we purchase no at 0.41, it means we sold no yes at 0.59. So basically we purchased it at 70 and sold it at 59, which means we lost like 11 cents per position, and yeah. But I don't think we should have done that in the first place. Like, don't you think that we shouldn't have made these trades in a first place? And the merge is actually okay. because merge usually happens automatically on different platforms like Deribit, for example. Yeah. Okay, so it doesn't know about the mirroring. Let me give you clarification and you update your thoughts and ideas. Buy no equals to sell yes. That's why. So the bot is doing proper two-sided market making. So why the loss? The adverse selection. The classic market making problem. The market moved from 0.58 to 76 during our session. When the price was low, we bought yes, and we sold yes too cheap. And then when price was high, we bought too expensive, and then we sold it. So we lost per round trip 10%. Informed traders picked us off during price movement. Position limits too high. Prevented staying balanced. Spreads too narrow. Write your the problem and the fix in findings.md. We will compare now. Okay, now review the docs, especially roadmap, as are there any fixes pending there that might or issue. Okay, I'll check the docs now. Maybe we have already some plans for this problem that we did not implement yet, and we just should go ahead and continue. Okay, we are over the context now. That's why. I wonder. Yeah, not that much used. Ooh. Just stuck. Let's try again. I don't know. Let's start a new session. I think it's one is dead already. Okay, it's much faster now. Okay, so okay, I gave it the wrong task initially. Now compare findings MD and docs, especially on roadmap. Are there any fixes pending in roadmap or docs that might fix our issues in findings? That's the proper request. Okay, well, since orchestration worked already, and we are now having issues with the strategy, let's first. Oh my god, we are. We are getting some returns here. We can return our money back. We lost like, I don't know, $10 today as well. Maybe more. Let's keep it. And go back. Okay, so our roadmap have already good solutions planned. Let's discuss the spread and the limits you are so hardly pushing. Considering the issue with the strategy. Let's discuss the spread and limits you are so hardly pushing, considering the issue with the strategy. Spreads will not help much. Higher limits will lead to higher losses. Okay, so it agreed that the proposed solutions are not good. Now it's questioning the inventory skewing idea. Problem is in the trading market, tightening quotes means getting filled at worse prices. If market is rising and we are long no, short yes. Tightening yes quotes means buying yes at a higher prices. This is buying into the losing position. Make much worse. Could make losses worse. The real issue, looking at your session data again. The fundamental problem, market making is in high volatile. 20 market is fundamentally unprofitable. No amount of parameters tweaking fixes this. Wider spreads help marginally. Higher limits make it worse. Inventory skewing would make it worse. Okay, so given that adverse selection is the core issue and parameter tweaks won't fix it, which direction makes more sense? Add volatility filter only, add stop loss only. Both filters and stop loss. Reconsider strategy entirely. Maybe USDC only market isn't profitable on Polymarket. Liquidity rewards might not cover advertised selection costs. Yeah, maybe. That's what I'm actually slowly getting to. But definitely we should work on volatility. So adjust the findings, remove misleading suggestions, leave good, give neutral and good ones, and prioritize. We'll see. still have this. This is our junior developer. Say hello. Okay, I am unable to code now. So, okay, what I see here, I would actually follow the advice and these findings. I think we can go ahead and implement the findings next session, next stream, because oh my god. So, I think we need to strip this file from the rest of the findings and only leave the second one. And then next stream we can just go ahead and start implementing it. I would actually add the volatility filter so we don't trade on these volatile markets anymore. And then we will see. I think actually, like, it works more or less good. If the market is not that volatile, we are actually pretty good at market making. If you have seen it before, so we only lost money on these quite fast moving markets. So I think we are getting there. So let's strip findings file from everything but number 2 and make it all about the number 2. Yeah, we didn't earn even a cent today. We lost all the money to the... Oh my god, I should have exited it. We lost all the money to the volatile markets. Let's meanwhile prepare our... So let's create visualization for data file. I think that's gonna be very useful. And implement queuing and everything. So let's write it like implement findings. Okay. Um, I think we are good to go. I published the fixes of the code base which were incorrect, and I did not publish the findings because it's like more or less the same like roadmap. I don't want to put more files into the project and then remember to remove it. So yes, you know what I would have done? Check the last two commits and make sure they were documented. So yeah, I'll just adjust the documentation and publish it. I think you shouldn't like watch that. It's gonna be published anyway. So let's wrap up for today and see you on Friday. Like we are not moving that fast as we did before, but this is just because this current phase, there is no other way basically. So we are slowly getting there. We are doing progress, small steps. So let's meet another time on Fridays 3 p.m. as usual, Central European time, and we will continue. And thank you for watching today. Thank you for joining, for um, watching my cat. Please consider giving likes, subscribes, and let's meet on the next episode. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.